Joggers Park is located on a hilltop right opposite Port Blair Airport. It has a very well maintained and planned jogging area. This place is totally wheelchair accessible and you can easily roam around the park on your wheelchair. Sitting here and enjoying the stunning view of Port Blair Airport and surrounding adds up to your experience. And if you visit the place at the right time, you will get to see takeoff and landing of flights. After visiting Joggers Park, we started our journey towards Chidiya Tapu. Chidiya Tapu is the southernmost tip of the Great Andaman. It is roughly 30 km from the city, and on the way, you will be accompanied by sea and dense forest. Most of the tourists visit Chidiya Tapu to do a small trek on Munda Pahad hilltop, which is not accessible for wheelchair using person. But you can surely have a good time on a small but very beautiful beach at Chidiya Tapu, with the ocean on your one side and tall trees on other. You can enjoy a peaceful walk at this wheelchair accessible beach.
आज का समय शुरू होता है सूर्यास्त का 4:30 से लेकर 4:46 के बीच सूर्यास्त का समय.
The sunset point of a Chidiya Tapu is 2 km from the beach, and best part is that if you want, you can enjoy the sunset from your car seat. But after reaching the point, I could not stop myself from getting down again. It was one of the best sunsets I have experienced in my life. The calm sea and cool evening breeze pushing the clouds further with the warm colors of sunset was a magical landscape. It was a truly amazing view. So I am leaving you guys with this beautiful time-lapse video of this sunset. If you like the video, do hit like button. Comment down how you feel about the video. Also do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.